Hi, I am Dr. Ruchi Malhotra. I am the Director of Fertile Solutions IVF and Research Center. I am a graduate and a postgraduate from Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about infertility. Infertility is a common problem nowadays, and it is said a couple is said to be suffering from infertility if after a regular contact of 1 year they are unable to conceive a child. Now, infertility is a complicated kind of a problem which involves factors from the male partner as well as from the female partner. Both of them are responsible to produce a healthy baby. So, if there is any problem in any of the partners, or sometimes we don't even find a problem, we cannot blame it on anybody, which is called as unexplained infertility. Now, the contribution for forming a baby, it's 1/3 problems would be because of the male factor, 1/3 could be because of the female factor, and about 20% of the infertility cases are unexplained. It's a complicated process in the sense that there has to be a production of healthy spermatozoa which can unite with a healthy ovum or the egg, and this egg which is released from the ovaries goes into through the open tubes, healthy tubes, and gets implanted within the uterus. Now, if there is a problem in any of these factors, then the pregnancy does not happen. The problem in the males could be because of inadequate sperm count or unhealthy sperms, which is seen very common because of the lifestyle problems. Then there could be a decrease in the count or decrease in the mobility of the sperms, which can also cause to a male factor infertility. While in females there could be problem with the factors which are responsible for infertility in females could be multifold, starting from the ovaries, because ovary is the main organ in the female body which produces the eggs. There could be problems with the ovaries. There could be problems with the tubes. The tube is an organ which picks up the eggs from the ovary. So if there is any problem, the tubes may be unhealthy, they may be infected, they may be blocked. In any of these situations, the healthy ovum which is released from the ovaries is not picked up and is not allowed to go to the uterus. There could be a problem with the uterine cavity. The uterine cavity could be having some kind of a fibroid, some infection, or some kind of septum which will not allow the implantation of the embryo. So this could be another important factor which could cause infertility in a female. So now next question should be that when should a couple go for a medical help or a medical advice? So if any couple who has been looking to have a child for 1 year without any unprotected intercourse is required to go to the doctor so that the problem can be identified and can be treated at the same time. The initial tests would be the basic general examination, and the specific tests for a male would be semen routine examination and a routine culture. For a female, it involves tests which need to know the hormone levels in the body, like the blood tests which will tell us about the thyroid status and the FSH and the LH hormones in the body. Then the tests for the tube include laparoscopy, they include hysteroscopy, which will tell us about the healthy tubes and the uterine cavity. Then there are other tests which are done to rule out the infection in the female genital system. So these are the basic tests. If these tests are found normal, we can treat infertility by simple therapies of drugs only. But if there is a problem which has been identified, whether the tubes or in the uterus or sometimes in the ovaries, we need to go in for a higher test which is called as hysteroscopy and laparoscopy.